Dying thoughts? It's a very good question. Pero, based dun sa story, on the verge. On the verge. So yes. Possible. Yes. Yeah. Yes. So, may isa pa kayo. Team C na na. Magtanong pa kayo. Dalawa pa lang natatanong. Actually, entertain your imagination. Walang question. Pero entertain your imagination. Kung ano yung yung intuition, usually correct. We still have two. PPO. Come on. Ask it, ha? Ano? Oh? Tatlo ba rin kayo? Ay, apat. Sabay lang kayo. Ano na lang?
Uy, magtanong na kayo.
Last 5 minutes. You will formulate your answer already. Okay, last 6 minutes. Pag hindi ba kayo tanong within last 6 minutes, i-formulate nyo na yung conclusion. Go! Yes na, tanong nyo na yung mga tatanong. Last 6 minutes. Is he alone? Alone siya sa restaurant. Order siya. May consume, tapos kumain siya. Tapos siya magsalap siya. Yes.
Meron po daw sa birthday tayo na po kayo.
Buhay na? May tali yung buhay na?
Or may sakit lang. Wala na kasi yan.
I ask one question for Team B and A. Team C, ano na? 3 minutes na lang.
Punta tayo dito, right? Hindi, alam mo yun. Dapat kasi. Sinaya kasi okay na tayo. Ay, ganda mo.
Okay, last 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, wala na pwede mong ano. Ano na? Okay, ito lang.
Alam mo ba, is he responsible for his own death?
For its own death? Oh, ito lang sa'yo.
Ay, wow!
Kill himself. Hindi na importante kung bakit pinatay sa sarili niya. Oh yes, he is responsible. Pinatay sa sarili niya. Yes. Okay, 1 minute 30 seconds. Hoy, 1 minute na lang. Ano? 1 minute na lang. Last 1 minute.
Sir,
Yes.
may ginawa po ba siyang treatment prior na kumain sa restaurant?
Okay, tapos na kayo. Next, ano? Okay, for mag-terminate na kayo. Bili kayo kung sino mag-gathering sa final action. Sir. Yes.
Related.
Marami siyang problema. At nung moment na yun, wala na siyang problema. Nung moment na yun, wala na siyang problema. Oh, last question, last question. For ED, habang kumakain, wala na siyang problema. Wala na problema habang kumakain. Okay, last 8 seconds. Ano? Pabilis, ano mo na? Okay, consider ha, ano yan? Depressed? Nung moment na kumakain siya, hindi siya depressed. Depressed pa siya? Wait. Oo, may diet thoughts, on the verge na pagiging depressed. Pero yung moment na kumakain siya, hindi na depression tawag doon. Anong tawag doon? Doubts na lang. Okay? May gusto lang siya i-compare. Doubts na lang. Hindi na depression yung tawag doon. Doubts na lang. Okay. So, each group, formulate your answer. Then, choose someone who will narrate it. group will be given 5 minutes to finalize your answers to the mystery. Five minutes. Sino yung magsasagot sa inyo? Yung tatlo magsasagot, tutugan sa while waiting for the others. Para wala nang baguhan. I-trump mo na para makita mo na. Okay, 2.5 minutes. Ha? Start important. Start important. Okay, last 2 minutes. Group. Team C. Sino yung masasagot sa inyo? Finalize na. Sige, sige, sige. 2 more minutes. Alis na, wala tayo dito. Sunod-sunod kayo. Para hindi na mababa. Okay, last 30 seconds for the Alright, dito ka na dito, Sarah. Go, dito na. Hello guys, kamusta? Alright, sabi, sabi nyo. Alright, yes sir, yes sir. Dito yung tatlo para wala nang matutungin. Maraming ko sa sila. Ayan. Stand here. Okay, first one, go air. Okay, wait, ang mga isang pagkakit na ako. ABC style.
So, yung theory namin na boses sa gusto siyang lalaki na parang all through his life may problem. Kaya siya naging ganun. And then one day, parang hindi niya nakilala yung problem niya. Parang sabi sa sarili niya na parang kailangan ko ng tanggapin na parang stand up. But then, pumunta siya sa isang restaurant. And parang nangingi siya ng sign na nag-take siya, nangingi siya ng sign if talaga bang itutuloy niya yung suicide niya. And then nakakuha siya ng sign sa pelvis. And then parang hindi to confirm to himself if he needed to die. Parang nagkakaroon siya ng sobo. Kaya ano pa yun? Oo, parang nagkakaroon siya ng John Kramer thoughts na yung mga ginagawa ni John Kramer sa victims niya na parang ipa-realize pa niya yung life. And then parang doon at that moment na ano na okay.
Ginabitan na tayo ng
malaman po kung life ko after death. So parang like yung experience or yung discovery niya if like kasi parang hindi ko siya like ano like
Kasi, yung ibibig ko sa restaurant, hindi mo
So basically, sa'yo, yung article is about niya ay Or romantic side. Tapos, then, kala Aaron, gusto nilang i-confirm if
Ay,
Okay, after that,
What it feels like to
sa
die.
inyo, ano, story nyo?
pregnant po siya.
Kumbaga anxious na siya even before natin.
Ano po, parang at that time, he wants to confirm kung gusto niya na ba talaga or not. Kasi before that, parang depressed na siya. Pero while eating, nakakaroon na ng delay. Ano sir, nawala niya lang pala to. Hindi siya nakakakain sila.
Uy, may mga ganun tao.
Okay, guys.
Okay,
Paano lang naman, issue pinakamalaki. Kahit sobrang layo, may pinakamalaki pa rin. Kahit consuming detergent. Kahit lang sobrang layo, may pinakamalaki. So, pakibasa ka rin sa hindi yung volunteer ako dyan. Lakasan mo, lakasan mo.
Snowboarding a month ago with his friend and they encountered an avalanche. Stranded in a cottage, no food supply. They stayed there without any means to ask for rescue, but they needed food desperately. They were originally 5. The three set out to find food and rescue. 2 days passed and the three did not come back. The other man volunteered to look for the three missing. He came back alone with the meat in hand. He said to the man that he could not find the others but found penguins instead. Both men starving, they cooked the penguin meat and made penguin soup. They had a lot of the meat and were sustained until they were rescued. The man was saved, but the three that was missing were found corpses with their heads taken from their bones. Horrified that at the implication he set out, he found himself in a restaurant serving penguin soup. Took one sip, noticed that the great difference in flavor, made the connection and realized that he had eaten his friend all this time they were stranded. Killed himself and died.
Okay, nagala sa picture.
Siya, nag-guilty siya. Kinain niya yung mga friends niya. So, sino yung pinakamalapit? Kaya pinakamalapit. Sa living nila. Meron ng something developing behind that. So, hindi nila na-figure yung exact variable. But the premise is about that. So, kahit malayo, sila yung pinakamalapit. Okay, so there. Okay, ano keep your mouth shut for the next 48 hours. Papakibit ko ba sa 3, 2, 1. Ito yung maingay, baka may makonta kayo doon, okay? So, alright, okay. So, now class, our activity for, discussion for, ano, di ba mag-get over? Di ba may ganyan story before? Shooting ng ng soccer yata yun. So, started sa bundok, then, kinain nila para makasurvive sila. That's true story. Ay, football, di ba?